Hi, it's Bev Code. I am sharing OohLaLa Digital Kit Comfort and Joy. This is our sponsor for the Crafter's Castle Challenge this month, and we are making a project to share. Here is my finished layout page, and I started with the main background. I then took a fabulous, amazing cluster and I added photos and accents, and the big thing today is to use some fun clusters. So I took some fabulous accents and trims and I did the upper cluster. I am sharing with you the amazing pieces that are available in this stunning kit. The colors are fun, bold, bright, and comes with all kinds of alpha borders, amazing digital flowers. It also has, like I said, some fabulous frames, and it comes with many accents that are color coordinated, all different shapes and sizes. As you can see, it has stunning, colorful, beautiful images, a mix of papers and prints that coordinate. They even have a stunning mix and match with sparkle paper. They have the journaling tags that mix and match and will add to your projects. The collection is amazing. OohLaLa, comfort and joy. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day. See you again soon.